This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting devices ready. Make sure your smart TV and the device you'll cast from are on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, sign into the YouTube app on your phone or computer so it's authorized. On the TV, open YouTube and navigate to Settings, then link with TV code. This generates a short numeric code. Now switch back to your phone or browser. We'll use that code to establish a secure link and avoid accidental connections. Next, on your phone or computer, open YouTube settings and choose Watch on TV or Link with TV. Enter the numeric code displayed on the television and confirm. This pairs devices using YouTube's account handshake. Once paired, pick the cast or device icon in the video player and select your TV from the list. Make sure volume and playback controls on your device now affect the TV so you can cue videos and control playback without physically using the TV remote. Finally, test playback by sending a video to the TV and cue another to confirm remote control works. When finished, you can unlink by signing out or choosing Unlink Device in YouTube settings on either device. If pairing fails or playback stutters, restart the YouTube app, reboot the TV or phone, and rejoin the same Wi-Fi. Network mismatch or app caches often cause problems. That single restart usually clears the issue and gets casting working smoothly again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.